Hi guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on investing and personal finance, and in this video I'll be answering a question about how to make 400,000 naira or $888 a month from an investment as investment income. Now, before we dive into today's topic on passive income, I need you guys to do me a small favor. You see the like button just underneath this video? Yeah, that one. Take your mouse and caress it, fondle it, like it, love it. Do what you need to do until that like button turns blue. And while you're touching things down there, please click on the red subscribe button as well. You guys may not know, but YouTube really likes it when viewers interact with videos by doing things like clicking on the like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications, or even leaving a comment down below. It lets YouTube know that you and I are cool, and I like to think that we're cool. Okay, so if you've done that, or at least some of it, let's dive into today's topic on how you can make 400,000 naira a month in passive income from an investment. Now, I wasn't asked this question directly. It was asked in a group chat that I'm in, and I thought it was a fantastic question. The person said, my total monthly living expenses is 400,000 naira a month. This covers my rent for the month, food, transportation, laundry, entertainment, and so on. Basically, this is what I need to survive each month. I'm wondering, how much would I need to invest in order to have the profits from my investment or investments pay 400,000 naira monthly that will cover my living expenses? Fantastic question. Basically, this person wants to know how much they need to invest in order to earn 400,000 naira a month from their investment or investments. Now, I could answer this question like how they used to answer questions like this back in school, but this is YouTube, so let me break it down in a way that's simple for everyone to understand. So 400,000 naira a month is also 4.8 million naira a year when you multiply 400,000 times 12 months. Now, there's a number of things you could invest your capital in, and the capital is what we want to actually figure out right now. There are different things you could invest it in, but let's suggest suppose you invested in a money market instrument like a euro bond. I'm saying a euro bond because they tend to return around 12% per annum, at least the ones I've been seeing in recent months. And if you want to learn a little bit more about Eurobonds or what a Eurobond is, you can click the card in the corner of the screen or watch the video showing on the screen right now. Anyway, now depending on the terms of the investment or the Eurobond or the money market instrument that you invest in, even though they do not pay profits or returns monthly, they might pay quarterly or biannually or annually. Okay? Anyway, let's get down to the math. So this Eurobond that we want to invest in is going to be giving us a profit of 4.8 million naira every year at an interest rate of 12% per annum, right? But how much do we actually need to invest? That 12% of it is going to be giving us 4.8 million naira every year as profit. It's a very simple mathematical equation. All you need to do is in your calculator, just enter 4.8 million naira or 4,800,000 rather, and divide that by the interest rate of 12% divided by 0.12, which is also 12%. 40 million naira. So the person in the group chat will need to invest 40 million naira at an interest rate of 12% per annum in order to realize profits of 4.8 million naira a year or 400,000 naira a month to cover their living expenses. Now, if the person is able to shop around and find an investment with an even higher interest rate, and that actually is possible, then they will need to invest even lower than 40 million naira to be able to realize 400,000 naira a month or 4.8 million naira a year. Say they're able to find an investment that returns 20% per annum, then that will now give them 4.8 million naira divided by 20% equals 24 million naira. So if they can find an investment that returns 20%, all they need is 24 million naira to be able to earn or realize 4.8 million naira every year or 400,000 naira every month to cover their living expenses. So there you have it, guys. I loved this question, and I recommend that you play around with it as well to help you figure out how much you'd need to invest to be able to earn an annual income or profit from an investment that could help you pay for things like a vacation or pay for your groceries or even help you buy a new car or something like that. Now we may not have 20 million naira or 40 million naira to invest, but we can all start somewhere, no matter how small, that could help us secure earning a passive income in the future. If you enjoyed this Q&A Wednesday video or you learned something new, do me a favor and click on the like button. I'd really appreciate it. You'll be making my day. And click on the subscribe button as well, especially if this is the kind of content that brings you to YouTube. And if you do that, please make sure that you click on the notifications bell as well and set it to all. If you don't, YouTube most likely won't notify you whenever I put out a new video on Wednesdays. So share this video with friends and family by copying the link to it and dropping it in your favorite WhatsApp or Telegram group. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go out there and make lots of money, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.